G'day Beaks and Beaks to Bee. Are you curious about learning more about beekeeping? I have been a beekeeper for over 55 years and rearing queen bees since the 1980s.
When I met Alan through my local beekeeping club, I knew nothing about bees.
Today we're cutting up some piece of 70x35 pine for our handles. Here you see 3 different lengths cut into half at around about 22 degrees to the horizontal, so that water runs off when they're fitted to the supers. Any new 70x35 seasoned pine or scrap material we use for making handles, as will only require around about 200mm wide for the actual handle, and each handle is fitted to the supers with 2 40x7 gauge countersunk screws. Some beekeepers would say that seasoned pine is no good, but I've had handles that have lasted up to 25 years. Right, so the first thing I do is, because I want a nice clean finish.
Yeah.
Now this has got the millimetres on it.
Oh yeah.
So that's nearly a millimetre. It's only about half a millimetre.
Half a mil.
Yep. Then I'll pull it up to full depth. Just have that on a bit of an angle.
So that angle there is your rain slope angle, hey? Huh? Is that your rain slope angle? Yeah.
Well, you can have whatever you want to, just as long as it's got a slope to it. Right. Okay. Handles work out about 20 cents per handle, ready to be placed on the supers.